you have noticed lately, but most of the channels using this type of animated character by using Capcut only. So without wasting any further time, let's go to the video. First of all, open your Capcut software and create a new project. Then click on AI generated and simply enter the prompt which I entered in my description. And you can also edit this prompt like changing the mask color, dress color, or behind the scene background and any other thing. Now simply adjust the resolution, like which resolution do you need. If you need for shorts, then click 9:16, and if you need for long video, then click 16:9, and then simply generate. And if you wanna create this without mask, then simply remove this. Now click on generate, and after some seconds it can create avatar like this. Which one you like the most? Simply click on this HD button. I like this one the most. Now click on HD, and after some second it can convert your image in HD quality. Click on this add option. This avatar image is added in your timeline. Now our second step is downloading face mask, and search for green screen face mask. And if you don't need face mask, then simply search for green screen mouth. And which mouth you like the most, simply open the video and simply enter double P after E and before dot and press enter. And now download your video in HD quality, and then go to CapCut and simply click on import and import your mouth, and simply click on cutout and chroma key and select the green screen and remove all. Now simply check this out. This is our face mouth. Then adjust it, but you see there is a background issue. Now come to Paint 3D, which is the built-in software in your PC, and simply go to CapCut and download this image, and simply add this image. Select this brush and select this color from here, and simply use this like this. Now there you go, our mouth is clear. And simply click on menu and save as image, and then save. Now import the image, like drag and drop. Now select the mouth. There you go, our face avatar is ready. So you can also add some effects in the video like this one. Now see this, and simply add your audio. Check this out. You have noticed lately, but most of the channels using this type of animated character by using CapCut only. So now you can copy and pasting again and again for use it continuously. Like and follow if you need these type of more videos.